So here we're told that the total amount of electricity used by all of these households over a 24-hour period was X kilowatts. So this is all households. And then they tell us for individual households, the average is Y kilowatts per hour. So that means that if there are N households, then they would use N times Y kilowatt per hour. And since we're doing it for the 24-hour period, because this is for the collective 24-hour period, we have to multiply that by 24. So that would be 24 NY. That's the total. And that must equal X. N is what we need, which is the number of households in the community. That would be X over 24Y. So the answer is E. Now, I do want to comment that this question actually needs to be rewritten, because when they say over a 24-hour period, X kilowatts are used, the units, kilowatts, are actually joules per second or energy per second. So this is actually a rate. So we can't really say the rate if you're talking about electricity being used. And I'm now referring to the general convention. Obviously, GMAT doesn't expect you to know the units. Usually you've seen that they're written in kilowatt hour. And that's because this is rate times time. That gives you the energy in joules, or the equivalent energy unit that you want to use. So in that sense, I think the question needs to be rewritten. But if you just go by how they've defined kilowatts, then I think, then you just follow what they describe in the question, and that's how you'll get the answer E. But I personally think it needs to be rewritten. So to summarize, the answer is E.